guys, Matt Olson here with MIP. What you can see here is 3 all-new kits from MIP. These kits have replaced the older kits in our lineup and basically either consolidated the line, enhanced the line, and or is just a new part number. So as you can see here, we have the 18150. This is for your Slash and Stampede 4x4 as well as Rally. And this guy just basically replaces 2 kits and consolidates it into one. That's going to be your old 11110 and 10132. That's what this kit does. So then we have here our 18130 kit, and this kit is basically just a part number change, and this is going to replace the old 8135, 11101, and 11103. So all those kits, there's 3 separate kits. This is the all new part number with updated map pricing. That's going to be your 18130 kit. And then this last kit here is going to be the one that we're really proud of, as we made an all-new bone for this, which is actually going to be like a tweener bone. So we can look here at some of our support parts to kind of show you guys some length differences that we have here. This is what you used to have in your 4-wheel drive kit, which was the smaller male bone. This is going to be the longer male bone that you had like in your Rustler kit. This was in your Stampede 2-wheel drive kit, as it has the different length arm for the rear. And now we have this new bone that basically splits the difference between these 2 smaller bones, and you get this little guy here, which is the 18103. So a lot of guys out there, if you want to kind of upgrade to this kit and you have our older X-Duty kits, you can get this part number, and this will get you where your kit will be basically compatible with all of the rear end 10 scale style kits that we have that are out there for Traxxas. So this kit right here, guys, this works for 2-wheel drive, 4-wheel drive, Rustler, Stampede, the 2 different arm lengths, you know, everything like that this 18140 does. It's kind of like the ultimate rear end kit for your Traxxas vehicle. So definitely, guys, check out MIPonline.com. Check out our cross reference chart that you can kind of see right here. And this is basically shows you the old part numbers on the right, new part numbers on the left here. So any guys with the older kits or anything like that, if you have any questions, go on MIPonline.com. This is in the main title bar, and you can download this chart as well. So thank you guys for all the support over the years. We really appreciate it, and have a great day. Bye-bye.